Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we'll be talking about how you can set up Shopify shipping rates. So the first thing you have to do is you have to go to your store. You have to click on settings down below all of these. When you click on settings, you will see shipping and delivery. When you click on shipping and delivery, you will see this general shipping rates. When you see this general shipping rates, that means that you can add a country and also add a rate. For example, like this, you add a country, for example, rest of the world, or a singular country. For example, if I add United States, United Kingdom here, and I can add the rate. For example, when I click on add rate, I will choose the shipping time it takes. For example, it might take 6 to 12 business days, so I choose this one, and then I choose the price, and then I click on OK. And that's pretty much it. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.